Here's a hotel room tour of 317 at Lodge Casino and Hotel in Blanchard, Colorado. Right when you walk in, here's the map on the door. 317. And right when you walk in, on the right, you have a safe and a closet with your luggage holder, as well as the bathroom. It also has the same walk-in shower. And you have a mirror if you want to do your makeup at night. It has a light on it. Here's your sink. And here's a mirror. You got your towels and washcloths. And you got a clean toilet. And there's a mirror on the wall to the left. And then you walk into the main part of the room, which is your thermostat on the wall, 2 chairs, 2 queen size and size is stunning. And then you get a place to put your stuff on the floor. You got your hotel phone and clock on the wall. That is, this right here is a Bible. See, you have a Holy Bible in your room, as well as a shelf and a TV and typical office chair and coffee maker, as well as right here. You have a fridge. Hold on. A refrigerator. Yes, and that's 1, 2, 7, 4, bed shut. Yeah, you have your TV here. You have a TV. And here is the view. We are on the other side of the building, looking at the Ameristar Hotel and Casino across the street. And that will conclude this hotel room tour 317 at Lodge Casino in Blackhawk, Colorado. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching, and that's it.